Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write gender words in English grammar. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. Each noun has particular gender, which could be masculine, feminine, or neuter. The prominent gender-related nouns are related to people and animals. A masculine noun refers to the nouns that show the male subtype, whereas a feminine noun refers to the nouns that show the female subtype. Several nouns in the English language are neither associated with the male nor the female gender. They are associated with the neuter gender. For example, table, chair, village, city, house, etc. Now, let's start changing the gender of the words from masculine to feminine. First word is king. Its feminine word is queen. Next is groom. Its feminine word is bride. Next is bull. Its feminine word is cow. Next is man. Its feminine word is women. Next is prince. Its feminine word is princess. Next is ram. Its feminine word is ewe. Next is waiter. Its feminine word is waitress. Next is rooster. The feminine word for rooster is hen. Next is boy. Its feminine word is girl. Next word is stallion. Its feminine word is mare. Next is uncle. Its feminine word is aunt. Next is father. Its feminine word is mother. Next is sir. Its feminine word is madam. Next word is peacock. The feminine word for peacock is peahen. Next word is Mr. Its feminine word is miss. Next word is actor. Its feminine word is actress. Next word is duke. Its feminine word is duchess. Next word is bachelor. The feminine word for bachelor is spinster. Last one, nephew. Its feminine word is niece.